Hi, we're talking to Zach Holtz here from Rookie Farms up by Kimball, Minnesota. Zach, you folks run an organic operation, right?
Yep.
And how many acres are you cultivating under organic conditions?
Over 1,000 for sure.
Really? Okay. Now, this is a new cultivator, the new Hiniker Culti-Pro. What have you been using up to this point before you got that?
We had some old case ones that were pretty old, and then we got this thing, and complete game changer.
In what way?
You could actually see what you're doing. It buried the corn good, covered the weeds up. It dug down really deep. It covered the weeds nice and broke them up. You can get really close to the corn without it knocking down the corn.
See, you're running ridgers, and that's what you're using to move dirt into the road and bury the weeds, correct?
Yeah.
All right. You got some nice looking corn here. It's a little dry in central Minnesota this year. I see you're running irrigation. Have you been doing that frequently this summer?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you have to say about Hiniker Cultivator?
It's a great cultivator.
Okay.
Well worth it.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.